Bronze goes to Sardar of Kazakhstan. $302 points from the week. It was so close. I'll mention this again in a minute, but it was so close between them and Dubai, please say. There was just a point between them. That's how narrow the margins are after 5 days of action, would you believe? And what a birthday present for Dozan's father, who was 73 years old today, Kadebek. Nice little birthday gift for him. Sardar of Kazakhstan taking the bronze, and all of the other Kazakhstani teams coming onto the stage as well. Like I said, what was it? Sardar, SSNA, Sunkar, Berkut. I missed any of the other Kazakhstani teams. I think they had 4 teams entered this year.